How to unblock someone on Zangi. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are on Zangi and want to unblock someone, then here's how you do it. First of all, launch open the Zangi application on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged into the main chat screen of Zangi, go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the bottom right corner to open the settings menu. Inside settings, go ahead and tap on privacy. Inside privacy, tap on blocked. All the contacts that you've blocked will be displayed on this list. Locate the person you want to unblock and then tap on it. Once you tap on the person's name, you'll see this pop up where you'll be asked if you want to unblock this number or contact. Click on unblock and you'll be able to unblock the blocked contact. Now the person will be able to send you messages and call you again after being unblocked. It only takes a few minutes and it can be done directly from the app's privacy setting. So there you have it. Unblocking someone in Zangi is super quick and easy. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Stay tuned and keep watching for more.